What HVAC issues occur after generator use? Common problems include incorrect power, clogged filters, carbon monoxide danger, refrigerant leaks, and damage to the furnace, air conditioner, or control board. After generator use, an HVAC system may fail to start, shut off repeatedly, blow weak air, or make unusual sounds. The most common cause is unstable voltage or frequency from a generator that is too small, poorly maintained, or connected incorrectly. A furnace or air conditioner can also receive power while the blower, thermostat, or outdoor unit does not, creating confusing symptoms. Check that the generator is rated for the equipment's starting surge, because motors often need much more power for a few seconds when they start. Replace a dirty air filter, since restricted airflow can make the system overheat and shut down. Never run a portable generator inside a garage, basement, or near doors and windows, because its invisible carbon monoxide can enter the home. An important detail is that some modern heating and cooling systems use sensitive electronic control boards, which may be harmed by voltage changes even when the system appears to work at first. If the system behaves strangely, turn it off, disconnect non-essential loads, and have a qualified technician test the generator output and HVAC wiring before using it again. One mistake is assuming that a generator's maximum wattage is enough, so check both running watts and starting watts. Another mistake is connecting a generator through a household outlet, which can send electricity backward and seriously injure workers. Use a properly installed transfer switch instead. People also sometimes blame low refrigerant when the real issue is a tripped breaker, damaged capacitor, or failed control board, so avoid adding refrigerant without testing. If you smell burning, hear loud electrical buzzing, see smoke, or detect a carbon monoxide alarm, shut everything down, leave the building if needed, and call a qualified professional or emergency service. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.